Tonight, China's human rights record condemned again, just days after the US announced a diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Games. In this court-like setting in London today, a judgment from an international tribunal.
The PRC has committed genocide.
Uyghur Muslims, a minority group from Western China, have been speaking out at the tribunal's hearings, witness after witness, saying things like punishments included savage beatings, sleep and food deprivation. Police officers took the children away by force. Among the evidence the panel has reviewed, leaked documents alleging China's president authorized this treatment. Uyghur Mueta Ilakud gave evidence. She has documented 232 re-education camps, 257 prisons.
There is a genocide going on. There are millions of people being locked up in this so-called re-education camps.
We travelled to Istanbul, where thousands of Uyghur refugees live in exile. Here, a recreation of a Chinese re-education camp the refugees say are being used in China right now. They call them concentration camps, with torture rooms.
This is an interrogation room.
Yeah, and this is a tiger chair.
A tiger chair.
They call it tiger chair.
But even outside China, Uyghurs don't feel safe. Zenora's husband, Idris Hassan, was arrested in Morocco earlier this year. She is left with their young children and fears he will be sent to a Chinese prison.
I should stay strong. I have 3 children.
While we are with her, she gets a call from him in prison.
What did he say?
He said he was very scared.
Families divided by Chinese authorities who accuse Uyghurs of trying to create a separate country. These issues are purely China's domestic affairs, the Chinese embassy in Washington told us. We are firm in upholding national sovereignty, security and development interests. Their statement ending, "Stop making irresponsible remarks."
Are you scared?
No.
Why not?
I think the worst is happening already, and it can't be even worse than this.
The US has already accused China of genocide, while this week more countries joined America's diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Games.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.